Welcome back everyone. So today I'll be unboxing HTVRONT heat press. So HTV was kind enough to send me this heat press and I did some samples and here is one. So I'll be showing you how the machine works. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So here is the box. I apologize for the glare. It's directly under the light. All right, so I'm going to open it and pull out the machine. And here I pulled it out. And this is the manual. Shows you how the different settings work. And this is a bag that's for the purpose of storing the machine. And here I'm taking it out. That's the power cord. And those are the settings, the power button. I already plugged it in. I'll show you that in a little bit. And this is the heating base or the safety base, and that protects the heating plate from burning the surfaces or scratches. So these are the control buttons. We have the power button, the temperature button, the increase and decrease buttons, and the start button. And here is a picture or some pictures on the box of how you can use the heat press on different things. T-shirts, cushions, tote bags, you name it. I just included this clip right here because the vinyls did not come with the heat press, and so I had to use something else. But this is what they sent me a week later, and this is a set of heat transfer vinyls. I'll set those aside because I currently do not have a Cricut, and so I won't be able to use that right now. All right, so let's go through what I'll be doing with the heat press. And here I'm just showing you the different settings again. That's the temperature, that's the time, and that's weight. So inside the manual that came with the machine, there are different objects or materials that gives you the temperature setting. So for cotton, the temperature setting for that would be 145 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. And the pressure or the pound will be 45 to 60 pounds. So all of that information is inside the manual. So as the machine heats, the temperature increases. So that's what you're seeing there because it's getting hotter. So the temperature is going up. All right, so let's just jump into the demonstration of using this heat press. Before I do that, let's just mention that there are two ways you can apply pressure. You can lightly press down with one hand on the machine, or if you need more pressure or pound weight, you can use both hands. And as you do that, you'll see the numbers for the weight increase. So like I mentioned earlier, I do not have a Cricut machine, so I wouldn't be able to cut out any of these sublimation patterns. So I got these from Amazon. And guys, I love these. This was a steel 30 iron-on transfers, and this is a retro pack for, I believe I paid $16 for it. I think that's what I think I paid. It's in my Amazon store down below, so if you're interested in getting these, you can grab it there. But I love these patterns. My sole purpose for getting these, because I know I didn't have the Cricut machine, is to put them on cushion covers. You can also put these on t-shirts, but I'll be using cushion covers for this demonstration. And this one, I got this one from Temu. I didn't see this one on Amazon at the time when I was searching, so I bought this one from Temu. And it came with a little instruction sheet, so I'll be using that one. And it says, just a girl who loves crafting. And of course, you know, when I saw that, I had to get it. So I have a sweatshirt that I'll be putting this on. demonstrating the use of the heat press. I wasn't sure how hot the surface would be, so that's why you saw me put down that towel there. And then I placed the sticker face down on the surface, and I set that to 20 seconds. And it wasn't hot enough, or I didn't held it down long enough, because the edges were still coming apart. So I had to go in again. I removed the towel to give me some more pressure. See, I pressed the start button, and now I'm just like swerving it to make sure that all the corners are getting some heat. And I'm applying a little pressure, so that's why you saw that the pressure number went up. And now it's there a little bit, but I just need to leave it so it can cool before I peel it. And now it's cool, I'm peeling it off. Guys, don't you just love this saying? I love it. I just had to put it on. I said, girl, this is so you. Just a girl who loves crafting. I love this one. I will check again to see if it is now on Amazon. I'm sure it's on Amazon. I'll check and leave that in my Amazon store as well. These are the cushion covers that I'll be using that on. These are also linked in my Amazon store. And I selected these transfers. I'm going to use those for these. So here I'm just putting down a piece of parchment paper, because like I said, I didn't get what HTVRONT sent me until after I did this video. And this, I set this at 380 and 20 seconds, and let's see if that's done. Yep, done. So I'll set that aside to cool, and then I'll do some more. Let's do this one. What I did do for this one, if you notice, I started out using that one and then changed my mind, but I did use the heat press to press out the fold on the cushion, on the cover, before I actually place the transfer down. And this one is also done. This says she believed she could, so she did. That is so encouraging. And now I did 4 in total. So now I'm just removing the backing. And here they are, guys. Woo, I love them. And I folded it, as you see, and it held up. Perfect, perfect. I plan to sell these at a craft fair for the spring, so I'm gonna be making a few. And guys, if you are looking to start a little side hustle, little business, this is the perfect way to start. All you need is about $300. The machine, which I'll share a little bit more about, the cushion covers, which was $12 or $13, and the stickers, which is $16 plus tax, just $300, and you'll make your money back, right? So I'm encouraging you. This is the year we're getting it, guys. We're getting it this year. Would you agree with me? Let me know in the comments below. So here is the machine. As you can see, they have them in different colors. I love the mint green, but I'll settle for the red. The coupon code and the link to purchase that is in my description box below. You have to click on the link to purchase through the website. But that is it, guys. Remember, check the description box for the information regarding this machine. The sale ends on January 31st. I want to thank HTVRONT for sending me this heat press. I am certainly going to love using this. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to do all those YouTube stuff, like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe if this is your first time to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.